you need to do your LPA right now. What's an LPA? It's the lasting power of attorney, or in Malay we call it Surat Kuasa Berkekal. Why? So we've had a client of mine whose friend were colleagues, right? They were work colleagues, and he had a stroke. Now, the guy is in his 50s. He still has young children. I think his oldest child is only 13. And here's the thing. The dude's a vegetable. You know, he's lying down in his hospital bed. He can't speak, he can't talk. And his wife can't withdraw money from his bank account. Having an LPA in place would have helped them to say, hey, you know, go to the bank. I've got the lasting power of attorney. I am allowed to transact and withdraw money from my husband's bank account. Now, he has not passed away, so his wasiat doesn't kick in. Only his LPA would take effect because he is incapacitated. Now, for those of you who are still of sound mind, sound body, please, for goodness sakes, go and do your LPA. How? It's so easy. You do it online. You don't even need a lawyer. You don't need, to pay high fees. Go online, go to the Office of the Public Guardian. The link is in the caption. Go there, fill in your details, fill in the appointed people who you trust. Typically, I appoint, of course, my wife is number one. I've got my sister-in-law is number two. In case something does happen to me and I'm mentally incapacitated, I'm not dead, they can then go to the banks, withdraw money. If they need to sell the house for something, they need to transact on my behalf, they are authorized to do so. So once you go online, key all the details in, fill in your details, fill in the details of your authorized people, then you'll get an SMS from the government saying, hey, your LPA is done, but it's not fully complete. You need to go and visit a CI, a certificate issuer. On the same website, look for the list of panel doctors and panel lawyers. Typically, I recommend going to a panel doctor within your area. Go pay the consultation fee. It's what, $60 to $100? A friend of mine managed to get a CI done for $30. So easy, right? Then once that's done, it's lodged in. A couple of weeks later, you'll get a notification that your LPA has been lodged. Alhamdulillah. Nowadays, it's so easy to do it online. Do your best. Please, for goodness sakes, everybody out there, if you're of sound mind, sound body, you need to have an LPA. Because who knows, you'll be alive, but you're not living. And that's the worst thing ever. So folks, get your LPA done right now. Links are in the caption. I earn nothing from this. Go and do it. It's a public service announcement. Please, for goodness sakes, go and get your LPA done. I can't stress this enough. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Afiq from Modern Muslim Finance. Like, follow, subscribe, yo!